Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here. Today we have something different here. In this video we are unboxing the HK Pad Pro 10, which is the latest product by HK. It's an Android tablet which comes with a lot of options and plenty of accessories inside it. I noticed that there's no proper unboxing and review of this tablet on YouTube. So thanks a lot to Daytoy for sending this my way. In this video we're going to unbox the HK Pad Pro 10 and we're gonna be taking our first look on it. And after that I'm gonna spend some time with this tablet, and in the coming week I'll be uploading my full review on this tablet. So let's start with the unboxing. So first of all we have the tablet right here. After that, if you lift this up, we have the keyboard. Let's get it out. And here it is. After that we get the user manual, then we get the book cover. Let's get it out and take our first look on it. Later in the video we're going to be setting up the tablet with all of the accessories included in the box. And then if you check out this box, first of all we have a Bluetooth mouse. We have the pen right here. It has two sides. We're going to be checking their functions later in the video. Then we get the USB A to C charging cable. We have an adapter here. It's a USB A power adapter. And in the end we get the USB C OTG and the SIM ejector pin. So here are all of the main things in the box now. First of all, let's turn on the tablet and set it up. After that we're gonna set it on this case with the keyboard, mouse and the pencil, and then we'll see how it looks. It has now turned on. Let's quickly set it up. And here's the first look on the home screen. If you take a quick look on the tablet, then we have an LCD screen right here. We get the front camera. On the upper side, we get the power key, the SIM tray and the charging port. We get the microphone on the lower side. After that, here we have the volume buttons. We have dual speakers right here. And on the back side, we get the cameras. If you want to buy it, I would recommend you to wait and watch the full review coming later this week, in which we will see if everything shown on this tablet is real or not. So this is how the book cover looks like. If you wish to use it like a mini laptop, then you can do this. And after that, you're gonna place it like this. So you can place the keyboard here. It has magnetic connection with the case. Let's put the tablet in the case. And here's how the complete setup looks like. To connect with the mouse and the keyboard, you'll have to power both of them on. Then go to the Bluetooth settings. Pair new device. Here is the Bluetooth 5.2 mouse. Tap on pair again. Then go to pair new device once again, and if the keyboard is not showing up, tap on this connect button, and after that it will be shown here. Tap on pair, and now both the keyboard and the mouse are connected. Talking about this pen, we have two sides. This side will be used on the tablet screen, while this one is a plain ball pen and you can use it on the paper. I think this pen is gonna be a lot of fun to use on the applications where you can draw. Obviously it won't be as good as the iPad Pro, but I think it can do the job pretty well. This is gonna be pretty much it from today's video. In the coming days, I'm gonna be using the HK Pad Pro 10 to see if it is worth the money or not. As being an HK product, obviously a lot of specifications will be incorrect. So if you have already made up your mind and you wanna buy it, I would still recommend you to wait for the full review, in which we're gonna be talking about everything in detail, like the RAM, the storage capacity, the speed of this tablet, the camera and also the battery life. So if you would like to get notified about that video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you would like to support my work, you can join the channel membership for as low as $1.99 per month. I hope you like the video. I will see you in the next one.